This is a demonstration of how to configure a FortiGate administrator login automatically from an Active Directory user. We will be using SAML between the FortiGate and the FortiAuthenticator and an ldap connection from the FortiAuthenticator to the Active Directory server. First, we go into the Security Fabric section of the FortiGate, click on Single Sign-On Settings, and enable the Service Provider tab. Expand the service provider details. This is where we will add this information into the FortiAuthenticator SAML IDP setup. Next, we go into the FortiAuthenticator and we will set up the ldap connection from FortiAuthenticator. Click on the Browse tab to make sure that you can see the directory once you've entered the credentials. After a successful connection, go ahead and save that. Next, we go and we are going to create a realm for our Active Directory server. Now we go to the SAML IDP General section, enable the portal, change the realm to Active Directory, save that. Now we will create a service provider entry for the FortiGate. We're going to generate a unique prefix which will create the URLs we need for the IDP settings for the FortiAuthenticator and a unique connection to the FortiGate. These URLs are what we're going to copy from the FortiGate. So we will get the SP entity ID. We then will copy the login URL. And we will copy the logout URL. We're going to participate in a single logout. And now we copy this prefix that's unique to the FortiGate over into the prefix for the FortiGate setup. The certificate, which signs the SAML response for the FortiAuthenticator, has already been imported into the FortiGate, and it's the certificate from the FortiAuthenticator, which we'll use right here. Once that is done, go ahead and click OK. We then need to go back in one more time. We create a new attribute named username, and it will be the remote ldap server UPN selection. Go ahead and save that. Click OK. We now go back to the FortiGate, say OK on the settings. We will log out of the local admin user. We are going to select the single sign-on option. Logging in with an Active Directory user. And now we see the user has been automatically created. We continue. We can go ahead and set that up later. And now we have an administrator login created from an Active Directory user via SAML from the FortiAuthenticator to the FortiGate. Thank you.